Hi, in this video, we are going to make this Christmas doll gift card holder. The file link is in the video description below. There is a SVG and a Studio 3 file. After downloading, upload the file to Cricut Design Space or Silhouette Cameo. Everything is attached, so it's very straightforward. Just bear in mind that these rectangles are part of the design. They are going to match the dotted line on the door base. Just make sure we don't lose them. The finished size is 4.5 inches by 7 inches. All the elements have been cut. Just be careful when getting the red door part of the mat. Keep the 4 rectangles. Now check all the elements are here. Here are all the pieces we should have. Look good, then let's make it. Grab the door base piece. We can see dotted lines right in the middle and where the door is. The 4 rectangles dotted lines are for the 4 red rectangle pieces later on. First, fold the line in the middle, then open the door and fold it. Apply glue on the door frame inside. Make sure the glue doesn't get to the door. Give it a good press. Next, grab the door frame decoration piece. Fold the first line downward and the second line upward. Repeat the same to the bottom. Glue them together. This is to give the door frame different layers, or could be just me overthinking again. Anyhow, glue the frame decoration to the base. Make sure no glue gets to the door so we can still open the door. Flip over and give it a good press. Next, we attach the red door to the base. Fold the half circle tab. Apply glue on the door but not on the tab. Glue the doors together carefully. Grab the 4 pieces of red rectangles. See the dotted lines on the door? That's where we stick the rectangles. Put the door aside and assemble the wreath. There are 3 layers for the wreath. The bottom is white, then red and green on the top. The tricky bit is to align the red and green pieces. Find the circle that is close to the inside edge on the red and the green pieces. Align the circles, then the rest should match. If you are using double-sided colored cards, make sure you don't flip them, otherwise the 2 layers won't match. I'm using foam tabs here for the wreaths. Now the wreath is done, attach it to the door. The final step is to attach the last green piece on top of the door. Now the gift card holder is done. Let's put a gift card in and close the door. Because thickness of the card, the door can't close properly. This is where we use the half circle tab to go through the cut line here. This way, we could seal the gift card properly. Hope you enjoyed the project. Happy crafting!